In this example, we are supposed to calculate something related to simple interest. If you just want to know how much interest is paid, that's what I stands for. You use the beginning amount, symbolized by P, which stands for principal, multiplied by rate, the simple interest rate, but that has to be expressed as a decimal, and then multiplied by time in years. So in the first part, we're supposed to determine how much Mark is charged in interest. And so we had a principal of 12,000. We have to express the 6.5% as a decimal. If that had been 6%, you would say 0.06 by moving the decimal place 2 to the right. Sorry, 2 to the left. Well, you do the same thing, even if there's already a decimal part in there, you still move it 2 to the left to convert a percent to a decimal. And then we're multiplying by the 5 years. Okay, so since we're not supposed to be using calculators yet, I have the commutative property, which would let me multiply the 12,000 times the 5 first. And since I know that 12 times 5 is 60, and I have 3 more zeros at the end, that part is 60,000. I still have to multiply by 0.065. Well, you can balance this out if you move that 3 to the right after the digit 5 and balance out the multiplication by moving this 3 to the left. That's going to be the same as 60 times 65, i.e. 65 times 60. 6 times 5 is 30, carry the 3. 6 times 6 is 36, plus the 3 that we're carrying. We have the interest paid is $3,900. Kind of makes sense that it's in the thousands, since the amount borrowed was in the tens of thousands. And then the total amount paid would be, he's going to repay the principal plus the interest. I don't have to plug back into the formula here. I could just take that we know the principal is $12,000 plus the interest is $3,900. Dollars plus dollars is more dollars. Although lately I've been hearing that more money is more problems. So our total is $15,900. It's the total amount that he has to pay back 5 years later if he has borrowed $12,000, given that interest rates.